Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the mysteries of Atlantis to catch the legendary ancient kraken. If you are ever wondered how to unlock and catch this exclusive beast, stick around because I will guide you through the entire process step by step. So first, let's take a look at where we are aiming for. Here is the beast 3. You can see the normal kraken and the ancient kraken. While catching the normal kraken is fun, the ancient kraken is where the real challenge lies. So let's start. To summon the ancient kraken, we need to activate the Poseidon Ray event, and for that you will need a very special item, the Poseidon Ray totem. Now here's how to get it. The Poseidon Ray totem is hidden to Poseidon room, but getting inside it is not easy. It requires completing one of the most challenging quests in Atlantis. Let's break down exactly what you need to do. You will need to collect 6 rare fish to progress. Ice spread shark, whale shark from a shark event, third great hammerhead shark, also from a shark event, ancient megalodon, great white shark. Some of these fish are harder to get than others, so make sure you are prepared to grind for them. Once you have all 6 fish, head over to the pedestal area. Here's how to place them. On the right pedestal, place the iceberg shark. On the middle pedestal, place the whale shark. On the left pedestal, place the great hammerhead shark. In the second room, on the middle pedestal, place the ancient megalodon. On the left pedestal, place the great white shark. On the right pedestal, place the guinea shark. Once all the fish are in the right spot, the door is Paradoon's room will open. Inside you will find the Podician rat totem, where here's the catchy scores 1.5 million in game currency. Make sure you have enough space up before heading in. After purchasing and activating the totem, head back to the Kraken pool. Use the totem here and the ancient Kraken will be summoned. It will finally time to catch the incredible creature. And that's how to catch the ancient Kraken is Fisch in Roblox. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.